Today I will focus on the softbox, what I bought a few years ago and what was my mistake to choose this softbox. When I bought my first lamp, artificial light, 5 years ago, straight away I bought this softbox to use on this lamp to make more soft lights. How you know or you don't know what to do the softbox? The softbox make more soft the lights. When you want to have soft lights, that's you use the softbox. You can use umbrella, diffuser, and parabolic umbrella, different softbox than this for make the soft light. But I bought this softbox. Like you see, I wanted photography, food and product with this softbox. I show you how looks inside the softbox, how work and what was my mistake. Let's go. When you buy this softbox, coming in the pieces, you must set up all self. This softbox have like lot of stuff to put. Here have is metal grid. You put the stuff together. Believe me, this softbox is not easy to set up. You spend little time and energy for do this, and it's big softbox. Of course, you can buy now the softbox what looks like umbrella. You open and close is easy, set up faster. You don't lose so much time. I bought this softbox 5 years ago. This was the most popular softbox and was softbox for my pocket. That's what my budget was. That's I bought this softbox. Including in this softbox, you have two material diffuser. This is one small, and the bigger you put on the front. No hard to set up, but take the time and little energy. Set up this softbox with the lamp is not so complication, it's easy really. You have here in the lamp special hole where you put your softbox there inside, and that's it. This is everything what you do. It's like few seconds and you set up with the lamp. Like you see, the softbox is on the lamp, easy setup. I start my light. Maybe it will be too bright. I don't know. It's okay. We'll see how looks everything. Remember, when you choose the softbox, if bigger softbox, bigger the lights, is better. Because it's more bright, more soft your light. If you use the softbox closer to your product, what you photography, is better, it's more bright than far, because if you put far, will be more shadow, not so bright. That is, always remember, bigger is better in this point. Mistake what I done to choose the softbox, not umbrella, diffuser or parabolic umbrella, is the price is so expensive. If you choose diffuser, if you choose umbrella, is 4, 5, 6 times cheaper than this soft. Set up this softbox all the time. You can imagine I must set up the softbox step by step. I spend so much time, energy to do this. It's not easy. When you diffuser, you only remove the parabolic umbrella, or umbrella you only open and close. It's easy and don't take so much space. Like you see, this softbox is big. My studio is not so big and takes so much space to keep this softbox in my studio. Another things, this softbox give beautiful soft lights. You have 2 diffuser inside and outside, that's double, make soft lights. Believe me, diffuser and umbrella give the same soft lights. It's not so complication to work with diffuser and umbrella to make almost the same type of the lights what you do with this softbox. That's was my mistake. The price, the size of the softbox what I chose, because I can choose now different softbox, but it's more expensive, and this is my mistake. If you want to learn about how to use umbrella, how to use diffuser, check this video.